Japan has won 4 gold medals out of the 5 weight classes so far here at these World Championships. Can they make it 5 for 6? Yuka Kagami, the 22-year-old, took home bronze last year, but her win last night over the 6-time world champ Adeline Gray of the United States certainly proved that she is ready to take the next step. Gold medal, final match of the night as far as the golds are concerned. 76 kilos, Yuka Kagami, the 22-year-old, coming off that win against Gray last night in the semifinals, a world bronze medalist a year ago. She is in the blue for Japan. The red represented by Kyrgyzstan's AYPERI MEDET KÜZÜ, the 24-year-old, looking for her second world bronze as well, as she won the bronze medal 2 years ago in 21.
Yeah, and she was also one really young contender in the Tokyo Olympics 2021, and we trained many times, MEDET KÜZÜ and me, and she was therefore a really strong girl and so good in this deep single outside, and also continuing in the parterre position, the 2-on-1. I think she's really a nervous type, so we're going to see if she's able to bring it on the mat tonight. But
MEDET KÜZÜ has had some special moments the last few years. Obviously a force to be reckoned with on the Asian championship scene. She has won a gold medal on the Continental Championship side. She's won 3 silver medals. I think people forget at the Tokyo Olympic Games, she was leading Adeline Gray late.
Yeah, she did a great job over here. Reaching the 5th place. It always sounds okay, only 5th place, but at these Olympic Games in this young age, the top is so, yeah, it's a big thing.
First warning given to MEDET KÜZÜ. Next time she'll go up onto the clock halfway through this opening period. Kyrgyzstan will have the opportunity to host the Asians next year.
And I think it seems to they know each other well, so it doesn't get easier if you know how strong your opponent is, what she's going to do good, and sometimes I loved it more to wrestle a stranger. For the mental side, it's a little bit easier sometimes.
First point awarded. Kagami gets the passivity point, 1-0. Don't forget, this is our final championship match, and then we'll come back with those playoff Olympic qualifiers in the 3 Olympic weights that we had tonight. So still plenty of action to enjoy from Belgrade, night 5 here at these World Championships. First period that certainly is synonymous with 2 wrestlers knowing each other pretty well, and They will each head to their corner with the passivity point. The only change, a 1-0 lead after one. And good look at Kagami, two-time Asian medalist, winning gold back in 2019. Took silver in Ulaanbaatar. Kagami entered the JOC Elite Academy when she was a third-year junior high school student. She would oftentimes come to Toyo University and high school to practice, just enjoyed the atmosphere and the opportunity to train with so many different individuals. And this is a weight class, Aline. When you look at Japan and everything that they have done really over the last 5 years, Kagami's goal is to become the first Japanese woman to win the Olympic gold at 76 kilos. It's a low shot opportunity for offense. Yeah, a little bit of pain there, and they're going to stop it. Medekisi grimaced immediately, and she is holding her right leg as Kagami came in. So the 2 is awarded, but right now the concern is with AYPERI Medekisi, and let's take another look at it.
It doesn't look like an easy injury. Oh, this is not the thing we want to see in a final match. I think she wants to go on, but she's shocked. Then it's a big risk, of course. They're going to meet each other again in less than a year in Tokyo, so you shouldn't take this big risk here. Well, she wants to try.
After the challenge coming from the Kyrgyzstan corner, we were more dialed in on her knee and her injury there, but a challenge issued, lost challenge, so they'll pick up right back where we left off, and that's right on that lace there for Kagami of Japan, and this thing might be put on ice pretty quickly. Gets a turn, she's up 6-0. Man, that lace is tight again. You see the fight underneath from Medekisi trying to reach her way back up the body.
We saw this so many times tonight, this crazy leg lift. Look at this position. Sometimes you can't even come out of this. And she's fighting so tough to defend it for such a long time.
And to Medekisi's credit, she's able to get back up to her feet. I wasn't sure we would see that again after that initial lace was hooked up. Yes. I thought, like we've seen oftentimes from Japan, they can roll you right out of the match.
And she got this leg lace tied. There wasn't so many options.
So a wobbly Medekisi slowly and methodically makes her way back into the center for this restart. Kagami in control here in this second period, leading 6-0.
And now she's doing good, Kagami, holding her elbows tight and don't giving Medekisi this little gap to shoot on her. Her gravity point is a little bit deeper, so for the taller Kyrgyzstan wrestler, it's not easy to catch the legs in a good position. Of course, she can reach them because you have long arms, but you need to reach them right.
That time she was ready to attack on that reshot there, the initial one coming from Medekisi, and I thought Kagami had a chance on that last exchange maybe to do what we just saw her do, but that time she elected to go for it and gets the takedown and an 8-0 lead. Clearly Medekisi still bothered by her right leg, and she's going to stay down on the mat for a little bit longer. And for the second time, the medical staff is called out to look on the injured wrestler from Kyrgyzstan, AYPERI MEDET KYZY wrestling in her 6th World Championship, and you just feel for her as some of the emotion starts to pour out.
Yes. But I think, of course, you want this belt, you want this big title, but I wouldn't go on. It's such a big risk. The Olympics are in the next year, so don't risk a big surgery or something. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Injury decision for Yuka Kagami, who was in control, leading 8-0, and Kagami, first class, will help her injured opponent into the corner there before she starts to celebrate a world championship. First class from Yuka Kagami.